Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to blur your background in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you open the app, you have to open one of your projects, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery that video or videos that you would like to edit. And when you open one of them, you have to scroll to the right on the bottom until you see the canvas option, and the last option is blur. And you can see here that I can blur the background of my photo or video, and there is the apply to all option, which means that all of my settings will be applied to all of my clips. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.